Whoa, look at these. It's number blocks 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 new numbers. Do you want to draw all of them today? Say yes. Then grab your paper right now. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go! Number block 11. First, draw a rectangle with 10 squares. Count with me. Make 2 columns of 5. Column 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Column 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10. But wait, we need 11. So add 1 more block on top. Boom! That's 11. 10 plus 1. Quick face. 2 eyes. 1 smile. Add 2 hands and 2 feet. Abracadabra. Make it boldra. Ta-da! Now color time. Pick any color you want. I'm using red, pink, and green. Go, go, go! Number 11 done. You're 1/5 finished. Number 12. This one is special. It's called a dozen, like a dozen eggs. Let's make 12 squares in a rectangle. 3 columns of 4. Ready? Column 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Column 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Column 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 12. Eyes. Smile, hands and feet. Now the magic. Remember our spell? Point your marker. Say abracadabra. Make it boldra. Ta-da! Now color it. Fill, fill, fill. And done.
Yay!
Number 13. Ooh, 13. Some people think it's unlucky, but we think it's lucky because we get to draw it, right? Quick, 10 blocks in 2 columns. Plus 3 more on the side. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Face time. Eyes, smile, hands and feet. Color speed round. Pick a color. I'm using yellow. Go. Faster, faster, and time. Number 13 complete. You're over halfway. 3 out of 5. Give yourself a high five. Number 14. Fun fact, 2 weeks equals 14 days. Let's make 14 in a cool way. 2 rows of 7 or 2 columns of 7. You choose. Pick now. I'm doing 2 columns of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom! 14. Face. Hands and feet. Magic spell. Abracadabra. Make it boldra. Look how many you've done. That's 4 numbers. Just 1 more. You're a superstar. Quick color. Done.
Yay!
Okay, friends, this is it, the final number, number block 15. You've drawn 4 numbers already. Just one more and you'll be a teen number master. Are you ready? Let's make this one amazing. Let's make 15 beautifully, like a stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15! Perfect! Best face yet. Eyes. Smile, hands and feet. This is your masterpiece. Let's do the magic spell together. Everyone ready? Point your marker on 3. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra, make it boldra. Wow, did you see that? Amazing! Now the final color. Pick your favorite color. I'm using blue. Let's make it beautiful. Fill it in, make it bright. Yes, yes, yes! Finished! Number 15 complete.
Yay!
You did it! You drew 5 number blocks. Look at these amazing numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You drew them all. You're not just an artist, you're a mathematician, a number genius. Let's count them together. Point at each one. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You did it! Did you have fun drawing with me today? Then hit that like button with your colorful fingers. Smash it! And guess what? Next time, we're drawing number blocks 16, 17, 18, 19, and the big 20. If you want to draw 16 to 20, subscribe and ring that bell. Click it right now so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. You're incredible. You're creative. You're a number superstar. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep drawing, keep being amazing. Bye-bye.